In this lecture, we are going to integrate Cloudflare into our WP Rocket Catch plugin. First of all, log in into your Cloudflare account and then go to this right top corner and select My Settings. You will be taken to My Account page where scroll down and then you can view your global API key for Cloudflare. Now click on this View API Key button. Then you will be shown your Cloudflare global API. Just select it, copy it, and then come to Cloudflare tab on our WP Rocket Catch plugin and paste it under Global API Key box. If you don't see Cloudflare tab on our WP Rocket Catch, then go to CDN tab first and check Show Cloudflare Settings tab and click Save Changes button. Now the Cloudflare tab would be visible. Open the tab, enter your Cloudflare email in this box and enter your domain here. Choose Off for development mode and choose On for optimal Cloudflare settings. If this is the only domain that you have added to Cloudflare. If you have added multiple websites, then choose Off. But if you have installed WP Rocket Catch in all the other domains that you have added to Cloudflare, then also you can choose On under this optimal settings option. If you're using HTTPS everywhere, that is, if you have installed SSL certificate on your domain and flexible SSL on Cloudflare, then choose On here. Else, if you are just using HTTP protocol, then choose Off. Though I use HTTPS everywhere, I choose to use Off for this option since I am using full option under Cloudflare SSL instead of flexible. You may do that too. This is a widely compatible and safer option. Click Save Changes button and then click Clear Cloudflare Cache button too. As of now, you have completed configuring WP Rocket Catch plugin to the 100%. Beyond this, there are a few things which doesn't affect your page loading time or page speed grade at any cost. They are just a few tools and options. Let's see them in the next lecture.